So this MI Band 4 unboxing video was recorded in 2019, and for some reason I was not able to post this video. And right now I was just going through my old stuffs in my hard drive, and I just found this folder that says MI Band 4 unboxing. And I was like, let's upload this new video that says how it feels like using MI Band 4 in 2020, or if it's still worth buying MI Band 4 in 2020. But on the other hand, talking about MI Band 4, it's still considered as latest fitness band from MI, as MI Band 5 hasn't been launched yet. So first you just take a look at this unboxing video, and then I'll explain you what I think about MI Band 4 and what I think about using this MI Band 4 in 2020 and why I stopped using MI Band. So without further ado, let's get started. Now don't get me wrong, there are my few personal experiences or personal reasons why I stopped wearing MI Band 4, or let's say all the MI bands which I owned before. But still, if you ask me which is the best budget fitness band in 2020, I would really prefer MI Band 4 because the quality it gives you, the features, the freedom with the wallpapers, the watch faces. You get thousands of watch faces in these third-party apps which are available on Play Store. Considering all these features with that price range, I would say MI Band 4 never fails to impress you. I still remember back in days when I was using MI Band HRX and how it was helping me with those haptic feedback. Now let's come to the reasons why I hate wearing this MI Band in public, and the first reason is this. Now I know many of you people will say this is MI Band 4 box, but no, it's M4, as the model number says, it's M4. Now take a closer look at this device. You will find no difference when you see this fake fitness band and when you see that original MI Band 4 fitness band. Now, right now I am not having this MI Band 4 with me because I gave it to someone else, but I do have this fake fitness band which says M4 band, which looks like MI Band 4, and if I wear this in public, people will really get confused between MI Band 4 and this fake fitness band. Now take a look at this charger. This is fake M4 band charger. It really looks similar to that original one, and this is the main reason why I stopped wearing fitness bands, because now and then when you have to check out the notifications in your fitness band in your MI Band 4, you get these questions asked by people around you, like at what price you got this device, or what are the features that it gives you, or does it really work like original one. And I really felt like, am I the one who is stupid wearing this original MI Band 4 and still getting those questions from those people? Is it the original one? Or some people are really like, 200 में मिलता है यार, मनीष मार्केट में जाके लेता, ये 2300 में क्यों लिया? That is when I decided I am not going to wear MI Band 4 in public. And since I got my hands on this fake MI Band 4, I am thinking to make a separate video on this fake MI Band 4. But for now let's talk about MI Band 4. So this was the first reason, and the second reason was about the upgrade that I wanted on my wrist. I was really bored with that tiny display, so I really wanted a big display, and instead of fitness band, I really wanted a fitness watch, or let's say smart watch or Android watch. So let me highlight few features that I like about MI Band 4. Now the first would be the feature that you get to apply custom wallpapers. The second would be the custom watch faces. And the third would be the battery life. When your device is once fully charged, you get around 28 days of battery life. Fourth would be the notifications. You really get all those notifications on real time, and there's no delay. And the fifth is the price range, for what price you get this device, that is 2300 rupees. This was pretty much it, guys. This is why I stopped wearing MI band, but still in 2020 I would really like to prefer you guys if you are looking for any budget fitness band. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next one.